Hi students, Mrs. Blaze here. I work with technology in the district. This video is a quick reminder about how to use the Read and Write extension in Google Chrome. So we're going to start with going up to that purple puzzle piece in the right-hand corner. You can click on that purple puzzle piece and you will get your toolbar pop up. You can click play and it will start at the very beginning of the page, or better yet, you can highlight with your mouse or your cursor on your touchpad the first sentence where you want it to start, and then simply click the play button.
Watch the video. Don't let the pigeon touch the books. 2.
If you need to pause it,
that.
click the pause button and it will stop right where you hit pause. If you need to completely stop the read aloud, hit the stop button. This tool will work on pages like Google Classroom, web pages, and it will even work in Google Slides and Google Docs and within Google Forms as well. When you're using this tool in a Google app, you may notice that the toolbar will not pop up on top of the screen, but instead will be right here along the top of the Google app. It may be hidden and be a little drop-down tab, and you may need to click that little drop-down tab in order to see the toolbar. If at any point the toolbar is reading too fast, you can come over and click the three dots at the end of your toolbar, select Options, and change the speed of the reader with the slide rule, and select OK. That's all you need to know. Hopefully you can figure it out and use this to help you better understand the text that is on the page.